Consumer Electronics Show, CES, is no stranger to electric scooters in all forms. The newest one, though, stands out in its design, and packs in no shortage of modern technology. The two-wheeled Hemm Ujet has brought to CES is serviceable for more than just the last mile, though, and could prove to be a worthy urban runabout, with smartphone connectivity and a driving range of up to 93 miles. The Ujet is eye-catching, with its asymmetrical frame and orbital wheels. It's available in a number of different colors with a low or high seat. It folds up for easy storage, and the battery pack is removable. The frame is made from alloy and carbon fiber composite, which puts the scooter's weight around 95 to 108 pounds, depending on the battery size. Its smaller battery offers about 43 miles of range, while the larger option boosts that to about 93 miles. It can be recharged from a normal outlet. The Hemm motor offers 5.44 horsepower and 66 pound-feet of torque. The Ujet scooter connects to the owner's smartphone, which is used to unlock the bike and keep tabs on it. It includes geolocation, so you can use your phone to find where you left it. It can also be remotely disabled if theft is suspected. The app also provides performance stats, charge level, mileage, the location of nearby service shops and a link to Ujet's support team. It'll also let the owner know if there are any service issues that need addressing. Users can connect to the bike via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or 3G with a SIM card. While riding, the functions display on a pop-up screen, and can be controlled through buttons on the handlebars. The Ujet will launch in Europe first, then follow up in the US and Asia in the second half of 2018. The small battery Ujet will cost about $8,900, while the longer range scooter will be about $9,900. Ujet's website has more information.